name is Angelo Santamaria. I'm the pastry chef at Venero's Pastry Shop. Today we're going to talk about the Pignolata. Pignolata Messinaise is an origin from Messina, Sicily. And in New York City, we're the only one over the country that makes it. It's consistent of, it looks like a strudel, but it's a bigger version of a strudel. It's a dough that's fried, and once it's fried, we let it cool down, and then we ice it up. We do a sugar and water, make that boil, and once that boils, we do a meringue. We combine the sugar and water and the meringue together, and then we throw the pignolata inside and we ice it. Once we ice it, this is what the results is. This is the vanilla, and this is the chocolate pignolata. The only place that makes this is Venero's Pastry Shop. I don't think many places do it anymore because it's a lost art. Like I said, it was originated in Messina, and whoever wants to do it takes a lot of work to do. And unfortunately, we're the only ones that do it. It's a dying art. If you go to Messina, in Messina, the pignolata is a little smaller. It looks more like strudels. Ours looks more like a butterfly that it opens up.